In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet report, a valuable skill for organizing and presenting your data efficiently. Before we dive in, it's essential to understand what a Smartsheet report is. Essentially, a report in Smartsheet allows you to pull data from multiple sheets into a single view, providing a unified way to analyze and interpret your information. It's especially useful if you're dealing with a large volume of data or team collaboration. To get started, first navigate to your desired workspace using the Browse tab on the Smartsheet interface. This is where you'll initiate the creation of your report. The Browse tab is your map, guiding you to all the spaces where your projects and sheets live. Once you're in the right spot, it's time to click on Create. You'll see a drop-down menu, and from there, select Report, and then choose Row Report. This sets the stage for configuring your data in the most meaningful way. Next, let's delve into configuring your report using the various options available in the toolbar tabs. Initially, you'll focus on source sheets. Here, you choose which sheets or entire workspaces you wish to pull data from, remembering that you can select up to 30,000. This flexibility allows you to consolidate data from vast and varied sources effortlessly. Once your sources are set, move on to Columns to Display. Decide which columns from your selected source sheets you want to appear in your report. This is pivotal because the columns you choose will dictate what information is visible to those who view the report. Picking the right columns means emphasizing the most relevant data that conveys your message clearly. With your column selected, the next step involves setting filter criteria. Filters are incredibly useful for narrowing down your data to only the rows that meet specific conditions. By applying these, you ensure that your report showcases precisely what you need it to, cutting through the clutter and noise of irrelevant data. To give your report a structured format, use the Group option. This allows you to organize your rows into coherent categories or clusters, making the data easier to analyze and compare. It's a simple way to add layers of interpretation that make your report not only a presentation of data, but a tool for insightful analysis. Additionally, consider using the Summarize feature to compute totals or other metrics within your groups. Summarizing can enhance the analytical power of your report by highlighting key figures that might otherwise be buried in raw data. Finally, use the Sort feature to define the order of your rows, such as arranging them in ascending order by date. Sorting ensures the most logical flow of information, enhancing readability and comprehension. By following these steps, you can create a Smartsheet report that's effective and tailored to your particular needs, ultimately helping you or your team make better data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Smartsheet.